What's good, gang? It's your boy out here, back with another video on the 4th of July, in the middle of LC Gundo. About to see what's going on with the fireworks, you dig? If you're new to the channel, subscribe, drop comments, like, and share. Alright, now that we got that out the way, let's get the video going. Alright, gang, we about to walk through this shit. Oh, you talking about down there?
Yeah, you see the box?
Yeah. Yeah, they ain't really doing shit.
Like they selling or something.
Nothing else going on. Nah. Maybe this boy about to light something right here. Get some 4th of July fireworks going, man. Look at this.
Oh shit, you can see it from here. Like it's on a building top or something.
Yeah. That was it. Yeah, that was it. Maybe they're about to light something. Ooh. Damn, they got a lot of shit over there, yo.
Must be selling or
Look at all their firepower. Oh shit. Bruh.
Don't look up.
Yeah, I know. It's falling down. Oh, that's it. That's it, baby. That's it, baby. We here, baby. Yeah. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ah. Yeah. Woo! That motherfucker.
Homie can't come up here.
Oh shit, that shit hit me in the head.
Right here.
Yes, sir. There we go. That's what we was waiting for, baby. That's what we was waiting for, baby. Now that's the goddamn 4th of July vlog. Woo!
Nice.
Nice as fuck, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They must be selling or shit.
I don't know what they doing. Keep that shit going. The vlog needed, baby. That's lit. That was lit. Yes, sir.
I guess this is where the car came.
Reporting live, Channel 6, in the middle of LC Gundo. Fireworks display. Oh. Okay, baby fizzle, baby fizzle, baby fizzles, baby fizzles. Oh. My man about to let off the big box again. Come on, my G, don't let us down. Don't like no little shit. Don't like no little shit, my guy. Damn, that shit was all in my hair.
Shit, in my eyes and shit on how it look.
Yeah, man. Crazy. Oh shit. We got motherfucking El Guapo Jr. Uh-oh, they're about to let off the big box again. They're about to let off the goddamn nukes. They're about to let off the nukes again, gang. We in the right place. We in the right place. They're about to let off the nukes again. Andrew and them can't see this. They have to watch the vlog. I'm gonna put this vlog out ASAP. As soon as I get back, I'm gonna edit this, John, put it out. Oh shit, that shit sound like a hawk. Fuck that. They're about to let off the big box.
Oh, call Jay and tell Jay to come.
Nah, he gonna look up, that shit gonna get in his eye. He's like, ah!
Oh, he got glasses. He got glasses.
Oh, he got shields?
Yeah. Come quick. Open the road.
We got motherfucking El Chapo Daddy over there lighting up the big box. El Chapo Jr. and El Chapo Daddy. El Chapo Sr.
Johnny coming too.
Look at Jay. Don't trip, man. You missed it, man. You're gonna have to watch the vlog.
I already saw him.
Nah, you ain't see it the way we saw it.
Where you going with the cup?
Bruh, you got champagne?
Empty.
You got champagne? Drinking what? Ear?
No.
Oh, 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 oh. There we go. Yes, sir. Big boy shit. Let off the big boy blocks. Oh, don't think it's over. They got fucking a shit ton of boxes over there. A shit ton of boxes over there. Woo! That was lit. That was lit. I don't know what was better, the first go round or the second go round. But that shit was lit. They got mad boxes, y'all. How you feel about that display, man?
Johnny and Jay got a face shield.
How you feel about that display?
I had to run.
You had to run?
I got
They was letting off too much ammo?
I couldn't see it, so I was like, oh.
They was letting off too much ammo for Jay, man. He had to run. It's like Call of Duty when you run out of bullets and you gotta run.
But I had the gun to knock them out.
You all late.
I was like,
Oh, $32 worth of fireworks going off at the corner. Get it, get it, get it. Oh man, that's not even $32 worth. That's more like $12 worth.
look, it's still here.
Oh,
If you test my lungs right now, you gonna find gunpowder.
bruh.
Damn, he got a whole
Yo,
Oh
yes, my man ready, ain't he?
Yeah.
Yo, we getting all of it, but you can't, like, if you ain't got glasses, you can't really look up because the shit fall in your eyes. So I got the camera, I don't have to look up.
I'm going back over where I was.
You'll see it on the vlog.
I got glasses on.
Yeah, but it can still get behind your glasses.
Look up.
Uh-huh.
Holy!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, they're about to set off something at the corner. Oh, shit, they got the 1999 pack at Walmart. Oh, it's chirping. The 1999 pack is chirping. Walmart, baby, value saver. Value saver fireworks. Woo! All right, that's it. That's all they got going on over there. Over here is where it's at. Whoa. Oh, what they got? What they got? What they got, baby? The value saver box. Oh. 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 He petrified like that girl on Harry Potter. Oh, oh. There it go. There it go. There it go. If you got flammable chemicals in your hair, run, bitch. Yo, this vlog gonna be lit.
First one was Chad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't gotta worry about the first one no more.
Yeah, that first part of the vlog was dookie. But then they redeemed themselves. Oh shit, he about to let off another big box. That's what I'm talking about. Shit, man. Oh, let me wipe the camera lens off because I think it got some fire dust on it. All right, we good. No fire dust on it. Oh! How you rate this display?
This one?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
Like on a scale of 1 to 10, what you give it?
10.
10?
Yeah, I give it a 10.
Yeah, when he let off the big box.
Yeah.
He let the little one off to make all the noise and then set the big one off so, you know what I'm saying, he get your attention when he set the loud one off so you can see the colorful one. That John crazy, man. This YouTube video is popping tonight, baby. This time I'm gonna capture it like this. I'm gonna be in it and see it at the same time.
You start recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh.
They got the red record on it. I'm gonna be standing in the middle of LC Gusto. $42 worth of fireworks display. Oh, oh. What we got? That ain't where it's at. It's where it's at over here. My man about to set off the John. He got a nitrogen bomb he about to let off. Look like that motherfucker poured fuel into that John. Oh. This vlog going out ASAP. Oh, 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 oh. Woo! Yes, sir. That shit was crazy. Oh, what they got going on? All right, so I'll take back what I said earlier. You know what I'm saying? Earlier, the firework display was super trash, but they definitely redeemed themselves at 4th and LC Gundo, baby. You know what I'm saying? So if you ever in the hood, stop by 4th and LC Gundo, baby. They got the fireworks going every 4th of July, baby. Between 9 and 10 o'clock. This is crazy. This is crazy. Reporting live. 4th and LC Gundo. Woo! This y'all crazy. Yo, they literally fucking spent like 10,000 on fireworks. $10,000 worth of fireworks. It might be like 30 G's worth of fireworks. The way my man letting off the big boxes. Each one of the big boxes got to be at least like $500 a piece.
Shit.
Big box, baby. No, I didn't. I see it.
Oh, okay.
All right, I gotta let the next one go
Just
off like
speed
this.
this up a little bit, put a little music on the background, and let it play.
Yup. Oh. 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 Here we go, baby. Here we go. Woo! Yeah, baby, you see it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We out here reporting live. Woo! I don't know how safe this is, but fuck it. We out there. Y'all saw it. I'm in the middle of it. They still letting them off. Still letting off some thunder clappers. I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hair after this shit. I got motherfucker all kind of smoke damage and everything in my shit.
Oh shit, it's a bigger box. Look at this shit.
Oh no, he about to let off the super jumbo cannon.
Shit.
This video like 30 minutes long already. Fuck it. We in the middle of 4th and LC Gundo. What else can you do? We bringing it to you first, baby, before the news. You know what I'm saying? Look at all the goddamn debris. I don't know who gonna clean that shit up. Maybe the city. Yeah, my man setting up the motherfucking jumbo box. He over there setting up the loud joint that make all the noise. And he setting up the joint that got the beautiful color display. Shit crazy. Uh-oh, here it come. Here it come. It's coming. I can feel it. Whoo, that sweet smoky flavor.
Spit out the gunpowder and shit. And good.
Yeah. They still setting off them $3 worth of fireworks?
They need to put that shit right here.
Man, put that shit out and come down here and watch this shit with us.
They put it on a show, man.
Yeah. It's about to be crazier than the other one, I could tell. Yeah. Bigger than the last box. That shit's still smoking. That shit probably about to blow. Think so?
You just light it?
I don't know.
That's an old one. That's an old one still smoking.
Uh-oh. Shit, you ready? Let's go. Here it come, baby. Here it come. Here it come. They setting up.
That one's on fire.
Yes, sir.
Smoking one's on fire. Guess that smoking one.
Oh. That one on fire right there.
Shit, can you imagine if there was firecrackers in that shit same way?
Bruh, that'd be insane. If that was gonna do something, they would have done it by now.
Yeah.
It's just on fire. It's crazy.
Over here is nice, man.
Huh?
Over here is nice.
Yeah.
Shit, cleaning all that shit off, man. Hey,
Yeah,
until
they got the
12 o'clock.
big box. Look, gang, if you fucking with these fireworks, man, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because I'm out here risking my life to bring y'all these fireworks. I know many of y'all ain't get out the house to see no fireworks. Y'all might not have no fireworks in y'all town, y'all areas, man. But I'm risking my life out here in the middle of 4th and LC Gundo, bringing y'all these fireworks, man. So if you ain't hitting that like button and you watching this video, you definitely hating. All right? So don't label yourself a hater for the 4th of July, baby. You celebrating independence, all right? My man Julio Ramundo and them in the background setting it the fuck off like Vivica. Oh.
What time?
9:53. Oh, happy birthday, man.
Be out here enjoying yourself.
El Chapo Jr. Happy birthday to my man El Chapo Jr.
What the fuck they said?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The middle of LC Gundo. Fireworks display. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see it? Oh, the thumbnail about to be lit. Yo, this thumbnail about to be lit, yo. Come look at this joke. Oh, ain't no more fireworks going off. But I had all of them. One of those burnt my leg before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the $1 shit.
My man's letting off these $2 worth of fireworks. Fuck out of here with that shit, homie. That shit ain't even worth it. Nigga got that 50-cent firework. El Chapo Jr. riding through 50 cent worth of fireworks. Little Sammy Sosa. Oh. Yeah, all right.
Weak.
Weak as fuck, boy. They getting to it over here, though. Chicken Little.
Boys about to let it off again.
They're about to let it off. Oh, what we got down here?
Getting ready.
They running out of supply, but it's cool because they bought plenty of it.
Got more of the fucking car.
Oh. Yes, sir. Yeah, they can't be trying to battle down the street because they fireworks don't compare to over here.
Yeah. They gotta take that shit down here. Let it off when they're
We got Boston, George, and Diego over here about to set it off again. Boston, George, and Diego. All right. Trying to get Boston, George, and Diego money so I can stack it all up like Lego money.
We out?
Not yet. They ain't run out of fireworks yet. We got to get it all for the subscribers. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Come on. Let them off, baby. They're about to set it off again. They're about to set it off again.
What the niggas gonna lose their life?
Ain't over yet, baby. Another big box over there. There we go. Another one. I don't know what the fuck they about to let off.
This box right here got a skull on it.
Oh shit. That means it's over. Yes, sir. They letting them things go. Damn, my man got the box with the skull and crossbone on it right there. That's the tombstone package. That mean he about to kill this shit. He about to kill it with the tombstone box. What they got going on? Okay. $22 worth of firework box. Whoo! I don't know, man. I feel like everybody getting low on ammo. They're getting low on ammo, gang. Again, in the middle of 4th and LC Gundo. You know what I'm saying? Bringing y'all the fireworks display. Risking my life. You know what I'm saying? I got all kind of gunpowder residues hit me in the forehead, but I'm getting it done for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, like, subscribe, comment, because it's going down on this channel. We bring y'all all the fireworks this year. They got all kind of shit going on in the backdrop. I don't know. Oh, the one from earlier? No, they ain't him. Talking about, excuse me, nobody was in the way.
Yeah, the fucking road was empty.
Big as shit.
Yeah. Fucking crazy, man.
They're letting it off back there. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go, gang. We got action. Woo! That's it? Ah, come on, man. They fucking around.
He did it like his.
Yeah, he fucking around, man. Them $3 worth of fireworks fucking around. That shit was wimpy. Yo, this video gonna be like an hour long. Hold. Word. Get the fuck out of here, that bullshit. Bruh, they pissing me off. They making me waste footage. Look at the aftermath, though. Like, look at all the goddamn debris, man. Like, that's crazy. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uh-oh, we got another one. Big Bang Theory, baby. Let's do it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There go another one. Yes, sir.
Taking all the debris and shit.
Yeah. The aftermath is crazy. That's crazy, man. Yo, they went in. I don't know who these dudes is, man, but they went the fuck in this year, yo. That's crazy. Yo, that aftermath ain't no joke. All that shit. Yo. Mad fireworks, yo. Y'all doing y'all thing, man. Yeah, man. Beautiful display, man. Beautiful. Uh-oh, what's that? Oh, okay. That's just a box. There we go. Here we go. That was a one and done. Yo, you can get high off of the scent.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh, here come another one. They got a couple more, and I think they done after that. I think that's the grand finale.
Shit.
Super tall boxes. Julio and Raimundo, baby. They did their thing this year. Who that? People hanging out the sunroof?
Yeah.
Yo, they wildin'. So you can't see this shit where I live at. Living in the suburbs, man, you can't see that shit. Shit, where I live at, you barely even see a stray dog or a cat. Here we go. Some more. Bruh. What is they saying?
Pablo G get debris in his eye. He gotta stop and rub it.
Mm-hmm. Damn. The cleanup gonna be crazy out here.
Yo, why is this parking lot for?
It's just a parking lot.
Everybody using it and shit.
Yeah.
Probably be using it to make some money off it.
Yup.
Like,
Yeah.
buying a
Yeah, you can rent out like parking spots and stuff. Yeah.
That would be a great idea. They got
They're about to let one off over here.
They got parking issue over here. I don't like.
No. Got it.
Ain't no gas on the fucking light.
There we go. Got it. Alright, gang, so that's it for the video tonight, you know what I'm saying? Then again, you know what? Nah, I think they got one more display. One more display coming. I don't know if that was their grand finale or not. I see my man with some more fireworks down there, but we're about to find out in a second. If he ain't got nothing else going on, then we out of here. I think he got one more.
Big one?
No, it looked like a smaller one. All the big boxes is done. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so, like I said, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay safe out there, alright? Peace.